Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix an iPhone keyboard not working, frozen, or unresponsive issue. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is restart your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up button and the power button together, then slide to power off. After your iPhone restarts, check if the keyboard is working again. If it's still not working, open the Settings app and go to General. Now tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Next, tap on Reset Keyboard Dictionary. This removes custom keyboard data and restores the keyboard settings to default. After that, go back to Settings, then tap on General and tap on Keyboard. Tap on Keyboards, then choose Add New Keyboard. Add another keyboard like English UK and test if it works. You can switch between keyboards using the globe icon on the keyboard. Also, make sure your screen is clean and responding properly, because sometimes dirt or screen issues can stop certain keys from working. And if nothing works, try installing a third-party keyboard app from the App Store to test whether the issue is software or hardware related. And that's it. Your iPhone keyboard should now be working properly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting and iOS tutorials.